Good morning, children. How are you all? You all are good? So, children, today let's start with your literacy subject now. Okay? But before starting with the literacy subject, join your hands and get ready for the prayer. Let's start, children. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo, Maheshwara. Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Very good, children. So, children, which alphabet you can see on your screen? Alphabet Y, right? You have practiced uppercase and lowercase alphabet Y in your literacy skill sheet book, right? So now it's time to learn the sound phonics song and listen to a short alphabet story of which alphabet? Alphabet Y. Okay, children? So, but before that, I will tell you which all pages you have to practice in your brown cover capital and small letter book for alphabet Y. Okay? So, children, this is your brown cover capital and small letter book. Okay? In this book, open to your page number 80. Okay? Open to your page number 80. On this page, you will practice uppercase, that is capital alphabet Y. I have shown you all now how you have to practice. Yes? And you all have practiced in your literacy skill sheet book. Y. Uppercase alphabet Y. Y for yarn. Y for yogurt. Okay? Then after this, come to the next page, page number 81. On this page, you will practice lowercase, that is small letter Y. Okay? Y for yak and Y for yo-yo. Okay, children? Then the next page for today, page number 82. On this page, you will practice uppercase as well as lowercase alphabet Y. Okay? So these are the three pages which you are going to practice today in your brown cover capital and small letter book. Okay, children? So, children, I hope you all understood which all pages you have to practice today. Now it's time to listen to the sound of Y. The sound of Y is Y. Y. Okay? I like to eat yellow bananas. I like to eat yellow bananas. I like to eat yellow bananas. Yo, 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 yo. Okay? The sound of Y is Y. Yellow. Yak. Okay? Okay, children? So, this is the phonic song of alphabet Y. You have to learn the phonic sound as well as the song of alphabet Y. Okay, children? Now, it's turn to listen to a short alphabet story of which alphabet? Y. Okay, children? So, children, here is the story of letter Y. Yoko and the yak. This story is on a girl. What was the name of the girl? Yoko. Okay? Yoko and a yak. Look at the animal yak. So let's start. Yoko lives in the mountains. Yoko कहाँ रहती थी? She used to live in the mountain. She has yellow hair. Look at the color of the hair of Yoko. Yoko का hair का color कौन सा था? Yellow. She has yellow hair. One day, she finds a yo-yo. Can you see the yo-yo? Yes. One day when she was roaming here and there, she found a yo-yo. She starts playing with the yo-yo. Yo-yo से आप खेलते हो ना? Yes. So in the same way, the girl also started playing with the yo-yo. स्पिन स्पिन स्पिन, आप ऐसे स्पिन करते हो ना यो, ऐसे स्पिन करते हो. यस, इन द सेम वे योको द लिटिल गर्ल ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग विद द यो. स्पिन स्पिन स्पिन. द यो फ्लाइज फ्रॉम हर. ओके, योयो जो वो टॉय था गर्ल के हाथ से छूट गया. इट फ्लाइज फ्रॉम हर हैंड एंड हिट्स द जाइंट याक. जब वो खेल रही थी योयो से, योयो उस लिटिल गर्ल के हाथ से छूट गया और छूट के जो जाइंट ह्यूज बड़ा सा याक था वहां पे उसके सिर पे लग गया. आउच शाउट्स द याक. जैसे ही योयो याक के सिर पे लग गया, याक ने बहुत जोर से चिल्लाया. वाई? बिकॉज उसे लग गया था, राइट? आई एम सॉरी, योको सेज. When she saw that the yak got hurt because of her, she went there and she said, I am sorry. आप भी सॉरी बोलते हो ना अगर आप किसी को हर्ट करते हो तो. वैसे ही उसी लिटिल गर्ल ने याक को सॉरी बोला. It is okay, Yoko, the yak said. It's okay. Then yak was very hungry. याक बहुत हंग्री था. तो याक ने क्या पूछा लिटिल गर्ल से? डू यू हैव एनी फूड? द याक आस्क. देन याक ने लिटिल गर्ल को क्या पूछा? तुम्हारे पास कुछ खाने के लिए है? बिकॉज मुझे बहुत भूख लग रही है. यर हैव सम यम्मी एग योक. एग योक यानी कि जो एग के अंदर का येलो पार्ट होता है उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? योक. ओके, सो लिटिल गर्ल योको ने याक के लिए एग योक लेकर आया. बट थैंक यू सेड द याक. अगर आपको कोई चीज़ देता है तो आप थैंक यू बोलते हो ना. इन द सेम वे द लिटिल गर्ल ऑल्सो सेड थैंक यू, बट आई डोंट ईट योक्स. याक योक्स नहीं खाता है. So the yak said, I don't eat yolks, says the yak. Then he walks away to the mountains. लिटिल गर्ल के पास सिर्फ योक्स ही था खाने के लिए, बट याक योक्स नहीं खाता है. सो ही सेड आई डोंट ईट योक्स एंड ही वॉक्स अवे. वो माउंटेन्स की तरफ, उसके घर की तरफ चला गया. Okay, children, in this way, this was the short story of a little girl whose name was Yoko and the yak. Okay, जब भी आप भी किसी को हर्ट करते हो ना, then you should also feel sorry. Okay, you should also say sorry. और अगर कोई आपको कुछ चीज़ देता है, आप क्या बोलते हो? Thank you. Okay, these are the manners which you have to follow. Okay, children. Now children, let's recall the words that I have used in this story starting with the letter Y. Okay? Yoko. Y for Yoko. The name of the girl. Yoko. Yo-yo. The toy. Y for yo-yo. Yak. Look at the yak. Original yak कैसे दिखता है? Yak. Y for yak. Yolk. Y for yolk. Look, I said na, the inner yellow part of the egg, yolk. Y for yolk. Okay, so children, these were the words which I have used in this letter Y story. I hope you all understood which all pages you have to practice today in your brown cover book, as well as the sound and the phonics song. Okay, thank you so much. Now take out your book and start practicing. Bye bye.